What if I told you there are 6 powerful dividend-paying ETFs that you can buy, hold, and potentially never sell? ETFs designed to help you grow your wealth while paying you consistent income, no matter what the stock market throws your way. Today, I'm revealing 6 dividend ETFs to buy and hold forever in 2025. These funds could be the foundation of your financial freedom. And trust me, you'll want to watch until the very end because I'm sharing a special bonus strategy that could take your dividend income to the next level. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Why dividend ETFs? ETFs that pay you dividends while providing diversification. Why they matter: passive income. In essence, passive income represents a financial strategy that allows individuals to earn money with minimal direct effort. This approach can transform one's financial future, enabling greater freedom and opportunities for personal and professional growth. Embracing passive income is often the key to achieving financial independence. Lower volatility creates a stable environment for investments, allowing for more predictable returns and reducing the fear of sudden market downturns. Investors can navigate opportunities with more confidence, enabling growth and long-term success in their financial strategies. Embracing this stability can foster a healthier market overall. Compounding power. In a world where small actions lead to significant consequences, understanding the dynamics of compounding power becomes essential. As decisions accumulate, their influence expands, shaping futures in ways both profound and unseen. Embracing this concept unlocks potential for personal growth and transformative change. Dividend stocks versus dividend ETFs, pros and cons of each, and why ETFs make it easier for hands-off investors. How we chose these 6 ETFs? Selection criteria. Consistent dividend yield offers stability. A consistent dividend yield not only reassures investors, but also fosters long-term financial health and growth, emphasizing its crucial role in investment strategies and portfolio management. The performance was impressive. In light of this strong historical performance, we can see how it has set a precedent for future expectations. Analyzing the data reveals patterns that can guide us as we move forward, offering valuable insights into what we can anticipate next. Solid diversification. In essence, solid diversification serves as a foundation for resilience, enabling investors and organizations to navigate uncertainties and seize opportunities with confidence, ultimately leading to sustained growth and success in an ever-changing landscape. Understanding expense ratios. In conclusion, grasping the intricacies of expense ratios is essential for making informed investment decisions, as it significantly impacts long-term returns and overall financial health. Prioritize funds with lower expense ratios to maximize your investment potential over time. Market resilience. Through challenges and uncertainties, the ability of markets to adapt and recover showcases their fundamental strength. As we navigate fluctuations, it becomes increasingly clear that resilience not only sustains economic growth, but also fosters innovation and opportunity for the future. Let's reveal ETF #1, SCHD, Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity. ETF SCHD focuses on high-quality U.S. companies with strong dividends. Dividend yield, around 3–4%, check latest. Top holdings: PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, Texas Instruments. Why it's forever. Strong dividend growth, rock-solid companies, low fees. ETF #2, VGRO, Vanguard Growth. ETF Portfolio Grow is a globally diversified ETF balancing growth and income. Holdings includes other Vanguard ETFs, global equities and bonds. Why VGRO? Perfect for Canadians seeking growth plus income plus simplicity. ETF #3, SPIDE. Spider Portfolio S&P 500 High Dividend ETF. SPIDE targets the highest-yielding S&P 500 companies. Dividend yield, higher than average, approximately 4% plus. Risks and rewards, higher yield but sometimes more volatile sectors. ETF #4. DVY iShares Select Dividend ETF. DV focuses on U.S. companies with consistent dividend payments. Dividend yield solid, around 3–4% historically. Strengths: high-quality mid- and large-cap companies. Bonus fact: has outperformed some market indexes in tough years. ETF #5. DV, Global X Super Dividend ETF. DV is designed for maximum yield, globally diversified. Dividend yield, often 6% plus but comes with more volatility. Who it's for? Income-focused investors willing to accept higher risk. ETF #6, RDIV, Invesco S&P Ultra Dividend Revenue. ETFDV focuses on companies with high dividends relative to revenue. Dividend yield, robust yield with unique selection methodology. Why RDIV, potential for better risk-adjusted returns. Putting it all together. Portfolio ideas, different approaches, an income-focused portfolio. An income-focused portfolio is designed to generate a steady stream of earnings through investments such as dividend-paying stocks, bonds, and real estate. By balancing risk and returns, it aims to provide consistent cash flow, ensuring financial stability and comfort for investors over time. A balanced portfolio fosters steady returns. A balanced growth and income portfolio not only seeks to maximize returns, but also provides stability, ensuring financial security and peace of mind for investors through careful asset allocation and diversification. Selecting tax-efficient ETFs is crucial for maximizing returns. VGRO stands out. By focusing on tax-efficient ETFs like VGRO, Canadians can optimize their investment strategies, ultimately enhancing their financial future while minimizing tax burdens. Making informed choices in ETF selection paves the way for greater wealth accumulation and sustainable growth. Risk management, diversify across sectors and asset classes. The bonus tip, the power of DRIP, dividend reinvestment. DRIP stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan. In essence, a DRIP allows investors to automatically reinvest their cash dividends into more shares of the underlying stock. This process not only fosters compounding growth, but also makes it easier for investors to build their positions over time without incurring additional fees. Reinvesting dividends instead of taking cash = compounding magic. Example, let's explore how a $10,000 investment can evolve over 2 decades. With DRIP, your investment compounds significantly. In conclusion, understanding the impact of DRIP can help investors make informed decisions, allowing their investments to potentially grow exponentially compared to a traditional approach. Over 20 years, the profound difference becomes clear, showcasing the power of reinvesting dividends. Final thought, even modest dividends can build massive wealth over time. Remember, building wealth is not about chasing the next hot stock. It's about making smart, steady decisions and letting time do the heavy lifting. These 6 dividend ETFs, SCHD, VGRO, SPY, DVYDV, and RDIV, could be the foundation of your passive income for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who's ready to grow their wealth the smart way. And always remember, keep learning. In every moment, regardless of the challenges we encounter, the journey of growth and discovery should never cease. Embrace knowledge, as each lesson learned becomes a stepping stone towards a brighter future filled with endless possibilities. The pursuit of knowledge is the key that unlocks potential. Keep learning. Keep exploring. As you venture into the unknown, remember that every step brings new discoveries and insights. Embrace the journey, for each twist and turn leads to personal growth, enriching your life in ways you never imagined. Keep exploring, and the world will unfold its wonders before you. Invest in your future today. By consistently setting aside a portion of your income and making informed investments, you can create a bright financial future. It's a gradual process, but with patience and dedication, your wealth will flourish over time, leading to the life you desire. And of course, it's always a great idea to consult with a licensed financial advisor who understands your personal goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I look forward to our next adventure together. This journey has come to an end, but the memories we've created will stay with us. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing new experiences. Remember, every ending is just a new beginning, and I can't wait to share more with you soon. New beginning, and I can't wait to share